I keep the company running. Company does not know this. The company also does not run very well. Have you opened the ticket? My title is System Engineer Technician 3. Nobody knows what that means. Dead spot is on. There's no level 1 or 2. If it has a button, I'm responsible for it working. Now, I was told this on day 1. I've not been told anything since. Shouldn't there be someone else for redundancy? Job security is more important than redundancy. System updates should be done Sunday at 2 a.m. I'm not paid for Sunday at 2 a.m., so patches are deployed Monday at 10:30. No, I'm not documenting anything here. This knowledge cannot be passed to anybody. They really need me to teach people how to write secure passwords, but they pay Kubernetes management level salary. On day 1, you receive your complimentary laptop, your login, and access to every system you will ever need. I'm still waiting for my day 1. I like my Microsoft account manager, and every quarter he buys me lunch. And I buy his renewal every year. That's the art of the deal. No. A ticket cannot move from done back to in progress. It can move to reopened. We have 240 employees and 340 active accounts. Deactivating them will be a change. No changes. Also, the company-wide announcement, it is open by 33% of staff. Outside the phishing test, it is open by 85% of the company. Now rep software update requests as vacation vouchers. At this point, I'm just trying to prevent interns from pasting the .env into ChatGPT. Our AWS bill is somewhere between 30,000 and 300 million. Looking at it would mean filing a report with the CIO. We reserved instances for a project that got cancelled. That's what enterprise means. Azure AD is called Entra now. Nothing changed except every document I've ever written. When a dev requests a new environment, do not say no. Saying no creates conflict. Instead, ask for a justification document. By the time they finish writing it, they completely forgot about the environment. If they do finish the document, use the phrase, per our governance framework. We do not have a governance framework. We have single sign-on. One password for everything. You will enter it 9 times a day. Active Directory contains every user, every group, every decision made since 2004. Nobody who's made those decisions works here. Our security concept, BitLocker keys are stored in Active Directory. We've never tested a restore. We don't have to. We have backups. We secured everything with your phone, yeah. We do not secure the phone. We have a Confluence. It contains 4,000 pages. Search returns none of them. Knowledge goes in, it doesn't come out. This is also a security feature. Excel is the company's real database. The devs wanted to get admin rights. There's a form to get admin rights. The form requires admin rights. Well done, Walter. There are 3 pages titled Onboarding Guide. It's not linked anywhere. Our most critical business process is a macro written by a man who left in 2013. It does not open in the new Excel. We keep an old laptop around. This snapshot right here is called Before Small Change. It's 4 terabytes large. Every policy I write contains the phrase where reasonable. It's a very important phrase. It means no. Any request that begins with it will be quick, add 3 months to your timeline. If a developer says it's an emergency, it's not an emergency. If a VP says it's an emergency, it's not an emergency. But you will pretend it is. On our last incident, the software architect sent a 4-paragraph email about commit message conventions. The outage was DNS. Hypothetically, if anyone encrypted our last data backup, what could you do? Hypothetically. We can patch it, of course, after the change request. My job is not to fix things, no. My job is to be the only one who could. We freeze all changes from Thanksgiving through January. For 20% of the year, nothing can break. It was my top performing quarter. If you cannot identify the responsible party in an outage, the responsible party is usually whoever's on PTO. It's operational efficiency. There's a security group named Temp Access Do Not Use. It has 91 members. Ansible works universally. 999 out of 1,000 servers. The company's code base is written in COBOL. What do you blame me for? My CEO asked, did we move to the cloud? I said, we already have. No, I just called the on-prem service the cloud. different universe, different categories. I tend to recommend one of them. We do not document SOPs. I'm just hallucinating stuff into the AI. Yeah, we have a folder of PowerShell scripts. Fix 1 through fix 9. It fails when I run it as a script, so I run everything line by line. It cannot be done fast, cannot be done faster. Citrix lets you access applications anywhere at the speed of nowhere. Well, this script is only temporarily, since 2018. Currently, our position is no. Yeah, to your software request. I understand. So back up. Did you file a change request? The change advisory board is on Tuesdays. Not next Tuesday, but most Tuesdays. Yeah, please file a change request. Thank you. CEO having funny ideas tonight. The AI. The new VP of AI built a search system for internal data to handle 1 trillion documents. He selected it, and I ended up running it. Luckily, it was turbo puffer, so I did not have to babysit it like all the other 112 times. Serverless, no clusters to keep alive, no nodes to patch, no surprise capacity events at 3 a.m. I like it. I like it. Very low storage cost. I'm not paying for it anyway. If you go home and your email still works, your file share still mounts, your VPN still connects, I don't know what happened. We might have been hacked or something, because this never happened.
Thank you, Turbo Puffer, for sponsoring this video.
Yes.